Hello to everybody and welcome on my YouTube channel. I am the trader and today I will show you how to use Trendline, and after we will check Bitcoin. So here you can see this is a chart of BTC. I use TradingView and this chart is from Bitstamp exchange. It doesn't matter which exchange you will choose because it's almost the same. What is a trend line? Trend line is line which connect low or highs of our chart. So for example, very simple, this is daily chart. Here we have one low here, one low here, one low here, and here. And this point you can connect with trend line. This is very basic, so for example like this one, you can see that the price has usually reaction on this trend line. One reaction is here, second here, we have nice reaction here, and here you can see here is reaction and here will be also reaction. Of course you can draw trend line on the highs. For example here we have one high, second high, third high. Now you can connect it. Why you should have to use trend lines? You should have to use trend lines because it's very simple and very useful. For example, if you switch to 1 hour chart, we can also draw trend lines on small time frames. For example here, like this, and you can see here this trend line is a bearish trend line. We have one reaction here, 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 and here you can see what was happen when the price crossed this bearish trend line. When the price crossed this trend line, Bitcoin went up and make a new lower high. Of course you can identify when is your turn finish. Of course also I will use this 1 hour chart, so you can draw trend line here on 1 hour chart, and you can see the price drop down below this trend line, adjust from below and go back down. So if you use trend lines for trading, you will probably start here. So here you can see nice trend, so you can draw a trend line here and you will wait for reaction here. So trend setup should look like this. Your entry, stop below this low here, or you can put it here, and target should be good. Target is when you have RNR 1-to-1 and bigger. So this looks RNR. So that's all from the learning section, and I will switch to 4 hour chart also on Bitcoin, and I would like to check what will probably happen in the future with Bitcoin. So if you focus on Bitcoin behavior now, you can see that we go sideways, and this sideways range is between here, it's around 51,000 USD dollars, and here it's around 45 USD. The price is in consolidation now between these two levels, this one and this one. For next move we need to break some of this level, because below this level are many stop losses, because retail traders use stop loss very tight because they are afraid of big loss, and you can see stop loss will be here, will be probably here, probably here. And what could happen if will come some stop loss hunting, the price will drop down to this liquidity zone and after go back. When you see this move, it's good time to enter with stop loss here. So don't be afraid of some small drop. Probably it is only stop loss hunting and after price will go up. So that's all for today, and if you like my analysis you can join of course my Telegram. Link is below in the description. I will share there more setups, more analysis and more information about trading. Thank you for watching.